Hello everyone, welcome to my new vlog on TCS CodeVita season 13. So in this vlog we are going to discuss in details about the TCS CodeVita season 13 registration process, and do like, share and subscribe my channel, and comment out if you all have any doubts. So let's get started. So basically the TCS for TCS CodeVita season 13 in Google, you all need to just type out TCS CodeVita season 13 and you can see it will show a window like this in which TCS CodeVita season 13 and registration open is written. So 3 hours to 6 hours basically to prove your method, and $20,000 USD is the prize money, and global ranking list of top coders will be given to you. So this is a coding contest which is launched in 2012, and for programming competition, which is actually to identify a number of top coders. So what is it for the students? Top 3 coders will get the chance to win the prize money of USD 20,000, and you can see that studying in any stream of science and engineering you can appear here. And in this year of 2026, 27, 28 and 29, those of you who are completing the course can appear in TCS CodeVita. So the journey is basically you need to do the registration. You will get an option to give some mock vitas which are just similar to the actual exam. It is just like the demo, and rounds that are there, that is you need to clear the actual round to further move in the CodeVita journey, and finally the finale. Some sample questions are also given, you can see here, in which you will see the difficulty level is complex, and apart from that you will see some frequently asked questions are also present. So if you have some doubts, you can check among these frequently asked questions. So let's start with the registration process. So over here you will get an option of sign in if you have already registered. If you are not, then you will have to click on the register button. Then you need to click on your country, which is India. If you press I, you will get to see the options with I, and you can select India. Then you need to give your first name, which is your name, first name and last name. Email, the email in which you are going to get a confirmation link. You have to check your spam folder and all folders across, so that you need to validate that email, and you need to give a username for your TCS CodeVita contest. So I have given here a username which is not given by anybody else. If it is given, then you will have to rename it. Then you need to give the consent, and after that, for terms and conditions, you should read and accept it. Automatically this will get checked, and you need to press on the register button. So after you click on the register button, you will see that your TCS CodeVita registration has been done, and you will get an option over here. Again you will be redirected to this particular portion in which you will have to enter your username and email, and after that you will have to click on the sign in option. So right now I did not give any username or email, so you are unable to see it, but once you give the correct username after validating your email, you should be getting an option to sign in. So after that is you will get an option to validate your TCS CodeVita through the mobile authenticator setup. So you need to set up your mobile authenticator, which is you will get an app in your Microsoft Authenticator app in the Play Store, which you need to go there and install and do the necessary setups. So once the setup of the application Microsoft Authenticator is done in your system, you will get to see that you have an option of in that particular app to scan a barcode. So once you scan a barcode that is displayed in this particular screen, you will see your name, the one which the username that you had given. Like previously in my video I had given the name as Priyanka Mamput 1 or 2. So that name will be displaying to you. So once you scan that, you will get to see the one-time password, and you need to enter it there. So once that is done, you will be redirected to this page in which get completed. So after the authentication of the mobile number happens, you will be redirected to this page in which you need to select the year of graduation, the nearest TCS location to your institute, for me which is Kolkata. Then you need to fill the institute name from which you have graduated. So I am a student of Institute of Engineering and Management, so I filled in that. So you will see that your institute's name is there in the drop down. You can just directly go and select the institute name, CT reference ID you should have. Right now you can see that the link is given as TCS next step. The portal is down for a few days, but you can get the CT reference ID done, and you need to fill that CT reference ID too. After that, you will see that the guidelines will be shown. This page will come in which the guidelines are given, which is the instructions are very clearly mentioned. Then eligibility criteria is there. You need to check the checkbox which is there. The eligibility criteria is clearly mentioned of the years 2026, 27, 28 and 29. Then from any recognized institute across the globe, the compilers that they are considering, their versions, their file extensions, and the languages that they consider, and the zone information. So here you will see in the zone information the dates are not yet decided. It is to be decided, but you have this type of description that CodeVita 1, 2, round 1, round 2, final round, and grand finale. These are the contest rounds. Now if you click on the start contest, don't get afraid that you have started giving the contest. It is just a mock exam in which you can see the coding area is given, and these are the coding in this way the coding question will be there. Right now evaluation is not there. If you click on the online editor, you will check an option to choose the language, your preferred language in which you want to give the exam. You can give a name of your program. The extension should be correctly given, and you need to just compile and run the program. Okay, so this goes with the TCS CodeVita. So you can see the profile and logout options are also present, and this is how the UI plagiarism checks are done. Okay, so if anyone tries to copy, pasting or open any form of ChatGPT or use any form of OpenAI, then they face consequences. So you can take a 30-day practice set, practice hard from all the coding platforms, and appear for the examination. And the must checks that you should do before starting to give the exam is you should have a stable internet. Your laptop and desktop should have webcam, Chrome browser, and no software like Zoom and Intex. Disable the antivirus temporarily because it causes a lot of difficulty. So some previous year, most of the frequently asked coding questions I have noted down here. You can go through them. These are very frequently asked. This can, if you want to practice them, you can practice as well. So thank you guys for watching the video till the end, and do subscribe my channel to get help with complete guidance on CodeVita registration process, and if any help required in learning the coding practices. And preferably please comment out your year of passing, so that I understand clearly like which are the years that are focusing on appearing in this examination, and I'll help you with the preparation strategy as well. Thank you for watching.